While the Israeli drug peddler Yaniv Benaim alias Atala is missing, the Bharatiya Janata Party on Tuesday alleged that entire police force, including Director General of Police, was responsible for the drug nexus cover-up.
Israeli drug peddler Yaniv Benaim alias Atala is missing, as police were not willing to keep a tab on him. This proves that there is a nexus between drug peddlers and policemen, BJP's Goa unit spokesman Rajendra Arlekar said.
त्यांच्याबद्दलची जी असा ती गोष्ट पळूया मागीर सुशागात. पण आत्ताच्या घडीक ह्या वेळार पोलीस आणि ड्रग माफिया हांच्या भितरलो हो नेक्सस आसा तो उघड जावपाक लागिल्लो आसा. नाजाल्यार पुलिसेक हें कव्हर अप करपाची गरजच नाशिल्ली. म्हणून भारतीय जनता पार्टी सतत जी मागणी करत आयिल्ली आसा की ही केस सीबीआय कडे दिवपाक जाय.
He said that the lethargy by the police in letting Atala go missing is a clear indication that there is an attempt of a cover-up by the police, and all the officers, including the DGP, are responsible for it.
आणि म्हणून भारतीय जनता पार्टीक अशें दिसता की ह्या सगळ्या नेक्ससाच्या भितर पोलीस आणि ड्रग माफिया हांच्या भितर जो नेक्सस आसा तो पोलीस इज ट्रायंग टू सॅबोटाज दीस, आणि हें सॅबोटाज करपाचें ताबडतोब थांबपाक जाय.
Atala, an important link in the police drug peddler nexus, has jumped the bail and is missing from the state. 7 policemen were arrested after Atala's former girlfriend, Lucky Farmhouse, uploaded a video on the social networking website which showed the drug peddler bragging of his links with a policeman. Arlekar said that after Atala's disappearance, the need to hand over the case to Central Bureau of Investigation has been confirmed.
केवळ भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या मनान न्ही, हांगासरल्या गोंयकारांच्या मनान सुद्धा असो एक डाऊट निर्माण जाल्लो आसा की दिस इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इम्पार्शल, आणि म्हणून ते मातशें काडात आणि सीबीआय कडे ताबडतोब दिवपाची गरज आसा. दिस इज व्हॉट वी डिमांड.
BJP spokesman said that police have been dilly-dallying on the matter right from the beginning. Police should have recorded the statement of Lucky Farmhouse, a crucial witness, by meeting her. It's a mockery that police are waiting for Lucky to come and depose, he said.
Arey, it was your duty to go and catch hold of those persons. You should have gone there. तुम्ही वचून तिका हाडपाक जाय आशिल्लें आणि तिजो स्टेटमेंट रेकॉर्ड करपाक जाय आशिल्लो. तुमचे मनीस वचपाची गरज आशिल्ले. ती येता म्हणून हे वाट पळयतात, आणि आमचे हांगासरले तांचे पुलिसांचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह सांगता की लेट अस सी केन्ना येता ती पळोवया म्हणून आमी वाट पळयतात. शी हॅज नॉट रिपोर्टेड टू अस. This is the statement.
Arlekar said that the Home Minister Ravi Naik had even misled the state legislative assembly by hiding the fact that Atala was missing.
4 जुलै पासून तो ना गायब जाला अशें म्हणटात. जाल्यार पुलिसेक एक खबर आशिल्ली गजाल पुलिसांच्या भितर तांणी लिपोवन दवरली, आणि आमचो हांगासरलो होम मिनिस्टर ज्या दिसा आमच्या विधानसभेन शेवटच्या दिसा स्टेटमेंट करपाक उबो रावता, the Home Minister must have been aware of this. My question to the Home Minister is why he was misleading the House.